Welcome back to 360 Virtual Autos, where the rubber meets the digital road. Today, we're venturing into a realm where performance and artistry converge with the 1993 Mazda RX-7 Veilside. The Veilside body kit is more than an addition, it's a transformation, enveloping the RX-7 in a cloak of aerodynamic elegance and aggressive beauty. Each curve and edge is crafted not just for aesthetic appeal, but for performance. Weighing in at just 1,250 kilos, it boasts a power-to-weight ratio of 2.28 kilos per horsepower, making it a formidable contender by even today's standards. Beneath its striking exterior lies the heart of a beast. With 549 wheel horsepower and 580 Newton-meters of torque, this RX-7 isn't just fast, it's a whirlwind on wheels. The virtual model of the RX-7 Veilside is a testament to digital craftsmanship. Every stitch in the seats, the gleam on the custom paint job, and the roar of the turbocharged engine have been recreated with an obsessive attention to detail. For more journeys into the heart of automotive artistry, stay tuned to 360 Virtual Autos. Like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on what makes the RX-7 Veilside the king of the streets. Until next time, keep driving.